Hey everybody, Chris here with IPD, and in this video I'm going to be talking about a rear sway bar for your P3 model chassis Volvo, and that applies to your S80, S60, V70, XC70, XC60, and V60 models. Make sure and check out the description below for application and years that this sway bar fits. If you like these videos, make sure and hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. A lot of you know IPD as the Volvo suspension specialist, and you would be accurate in saying that. And the reason why is when IPD designs and manufactures sway bars, these sway bars are specific to the applications you see on our website. And in this case, the P3 platform needed an upgraded rear sway bar. A lot of you might be wondering why it didn't come with a front and rear for this case. The reason is that a lot of these new modern cars come with traction control and safety systems on board that really don't allow the car to get too much out of control, especially while driving aggressive or on slippery conditions. In this case, IPD felt that a new rear upgraded 25mm solid steel, spring steel sway bar setup was fantastic for what we were looking to achieve for this specific application. As you can see, it's finished off with powder coat blue. We include polyurethane bushings and new heavy-duty brackets. You can check out our website for installation instructions. We did a video around that, so it's really easy to install this in your driveway. Do-it-yourselfers would have no problem installing this to the factory location sway bar that's already there. We've just simply taken what Volvo left on the table. We're giving you a little bit more confidence while driving your car, especially while trying to do an evasive maneuver or turning the steering wheel abruptly. You're going to feel more confident when driving, and that's what we look to do when adding a rear sway bar to your vehicle. Especially for the P3 chassis, it reacts really well. So, if you have any more questions about this, you can contact 800-444-6473. You're also able to check out other social media outlets like Instagram and Facebook. If you really like what you see here today, make sure and like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We appreciate you tuning in.